unstable governments and drug cartels are willing to roll the dice and undertake a journey to the United States. In addition to this information, I've included in the document we received some data, and I ask you to take a look at this data because oftentimes people will wish to ascribe certain things to the Athens community, and I want you to have some accurate information in your hands. And so among the things in the document that you see is both our population trajectory over the last 30 years, as well as our murders per year, every year from 1992 to 2023. You'll see our murders have been on a downward trajectory, even though we've been adding typically 1,000 people to the Athens-Clarke County community every year during this time period. Cast no aspersions on my peer mayors and other cities around the state, but I challenge you to examine every city in Georgia or every county over 75,000 persons in population, and we stack up notably favorably to these because of the hard work of our officers and so many partners in the community. Because oftentimes folks notice through the lens of a college center community, I've also included some information indicating where we are toward the middle or the bottom of the pack. Overall, a place like Baton Rouge has about twice the crime rate, and a place like Auburn or College Station is about 1.5 times less. So I encourage you to look at this information. But what I want to leave you with is this notion that the only appropriate number of murders in this community, the number that we are going to be working our tails off every day.
We'll continue to monitor that happening in Athens, Georgia, and now to Capitol Hill, where James Comer is now speaking ahead of Hunter Biden's deposition. Let's listen.
Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Romania, and Democrat donors. 10 members of the Biden family, including Joe Biden, either participated or benefited from the family influence peddling schemes. What was the Biden family business? That's been a big question of this whole investigation. What was the business? Biden family associates testified that Joe Biden was the brain. President Biden has repeatedly lied to the American people that he never interacted with his son's associates. But when Joe Biden was vice president, he spoke to his son's associates by speakerphone over 20 times. He dined with foreign oligarchs and a Burisma executive and had coffee with his son's Chinese associate, all while he was vice president. And since you all care so much about Russia, we know that Vice President Biden spoke on the phone with Russian oligarch Yelena Baturina and dined with her as she was funneling millions of dollars to his son. One associate said this phone call was orchestrated by Hunter Biden, and Vice President Biden told her to, quote, be good to my boy. President Biden also lied to the American people that his family never made money from China. Hunter Biden's work with the Chinese Communist Party-linked energy company, CEFC, began when Joe Biden was vice president. CEFC even gave Hunter Biden a diamond during this time to entice him to work with the CCP-linked company. The Bidens received a $3 million payment as a thank you for work completed when Joe Biden was vice president shortly after Joe Biden left office. We learned this in our interviews. What that first $3 million payment that we unearthed in our very first bank memorandum, our first of 4 bank memorandums that we have published.
So now, Hunter Biden will be on the Hill in a matter of minutes. James Comer has given us a bit of a preview. On the Athens story, what we did not hear were the protesters fired up inside that room, calling the mayor a liar and telling him to resign. So back to that story also. And if you were watching yesterday afternoon, what was going on that witness stand in Fulton County, we'll get to that after this.
A new generation of hip-hop superstars. A Sirius XM channel where new hip-hop is always on.
Oo nga eh. Kasi wala pang mga ano dito. Mga dahon yung mga puno ng kahoy. Natutulog pa.
business owners, are you tired of those hefty credit card fees cutting into your profits? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Thanks to the Durbin Amendment, there's now a game-changing solution to eliminate pesky credit and debit card fees. Imagine processing unlimited transactions for just $99 a month. Our patented software gives your customers 2 price points based on how they pay, full or credit card price. It's that simple. And here's the best part. You can enjoy 24/7 support, next-day funding, a virtual terminal, online gateway, and ACH processing. Our patented solution is available in all 50 states, making it the go-to choice for thousands of businesses looking to eliminate processing fees for good. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level and say goodbye to credit card fees, call 800-976-2526 now. That's 800-976-2526. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call 800-976-2526 and make the change today. That's 800-976-2526. Again, 800-976-2526.
Are you aware of the revolution that is taking place in fasting that helps weight loss, mental and physical performance, and gut health? It's called ProLon. Researched and developed for decades at the University of Southern California Longevity Institute, ProLon is revolutionary plant-based precision nutrition that nourishes the body while making cells believe they're fasting. That's right, it's food developed for fasting. But ProLon isn't a diet. ProLon is science. Science-based discoveries in medicine. And why ProLon is now recommended by thousands of doctors to support healthy blood sugar and cardiovascular health. And this all starts with ProLon's 5-day program. Snacks, soups, and beverages all designed to activate your body's fasting state. It's unlike anything you've ever experienced. Fox News listeners get 10% off when they go to ProLonLife.com/FoxNews. That's PROLONLife.com/FoxNews for this special offer. But only until March 31st. That's ProLonLife.com/FoxNews. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. See site for details.
Mass Mutual knows that finances can lead to uncomfortable conversations. But that guy who's always trying to get you to invest in his business.
His last idea was generating power with electric eels.
What about Uncle Paul?
Didn't need Uncle Wanted. How about that coworker who retired early?
She's off the grid, so let's just let a carrier pigeon.
What about,
According to the Financial Educators Council, 39% of Americans don't have someone they can ask for trusted financial guidance. Go to massmutual.com today. Feel comfortable about tomorrow.
My name's Al Wilford, CEO of PhD Financial. Our traditional lenders weigh you down with cumbersome and rigid requirements. I'm here to tell you there's a better way to more than 150,000 legal professionals like you. Want to pay off debt, expand your business, or take out our signature entrepreneurial loan? Visit PhDBusinessLoans.com today. Again, it's PhDBusinessLoans.com. Now, I'm Jay. Earning extra points is like earning extra money. And it's easy when you activate push for points in the My Rewards Plus app. Pro drivers can earn an average of $36 in points each month. That's $36 you can spend on most anything from drinks and snacks to showers and parking. And all you have to do is open up your My Rewards Plus app and activate push for points. That's how you earn like a pro everywhere you go. Only at Pilot Flying J. Store retail value based on average fill of 97 diesel gallons and 12 fills a month. Subject to My Rewards terms and conditions.
Last news alert, the president left the White House just a few moments ago. We've rewound the tape. Peter Doocy was able to shout a question about where he was heading. Listen.
Mr. President, what came out of your meeting with Speaker Johnson?
And off he went. I'm going to Walter Reed to get my physical, says President Biden, and he has departed. Bill?
So we will find out more on that visit. I picked a heck of a day because his son's going to be behind closed doors for a very, very long time up on the Hill, and we should see him in a matter of minutes. Now, back to Athens, Georgia. We just want to let you know what we were watching here. The mayor came out to reassure the public about the safety and security around Athens, Georgia. It did not go far before you heard the protesters calling him a liar, telling him to resign, bringing charges of Athens, Georgia being a sanctuary city, which technically it is not. But this is how it went.
Many of the elements. We're here to listen. We're here to listen. It'll be time for questions.
You are guilty and got blood on your head when this murder started.
Many of the aspects that are ascribed to sanctuary cities
We know what sanctuary
are things that are disallowed by Georgia law.
Okay, so that was his answer. And in an earlier answer to Fox News, that mayor, Kelly Gertz, said that Athens follows Georgia law, as you just heard. But there is a policy in Clark County, which is not under the mayor's jurisdiction, that allows undocumented immigrants to be released from jail in certain situations. So we're trying to track this down. We'll clarify it for you as we go. In the meantime, the mayor is back there, and I believe we just saw the police chief as well. So let's dip back in and pick up a little more. This is the aftermath of the brutal death of Laken Riley.
That is a crowd that check undocumented persons to see if they have a criminal background. How do you been approached for somebody to implement this program in Athens, Clark?
I have not been approached. Again, largely that's a phenomenon that happens at booking, that happens in the jail, which by Georgia statute is under the sheriff's authority. So thank you everyone for being here today. I appreciate your time.
Yes or no? Since Title 8, United States.
Just trying to pick up a little bit about what some of the citizens are saying in the back of the room there. Regardless, Jose Ibarra has never been arrested in Athens. So it's our understanding he would never have been in jail, nor had the potential to have an ICE retainer issued. Now, in October of 2023, there was that shoplifting incident in Athens. He was cited, however, he was not arrested. So we're going to work through this step at a time, and then we will follow the life and now the death of Laken Riley and how her family's reacting, her friends, sorority sisters, and everybody down there on the campus of the University of Georgia at Athens. All right, 28 past now. Let's move to this.
All right, well, the long wait is over, and as you can see live on Capitol Hill right now, Rep. Comer is speaking. Hunter Biden set to appear moments from now on Capitol Hill for that closed-door deposition. We're watching this closely. We'll be right back.
Report you got.
A winter without earaches caused by cold and flu? We're here for it. Get fast, effective relief from ear pain, clogging, and sensitivity to cold with Highlands Earache Drops, the #1 best-selling earache treatment for over 10 years. Highlands Earache Drops was awarded Best OTC Medicine and Health Products in Earache Relief by U.S. News and World Report for 2024. See why Highlands Earache Drops has received thousands of 5-star reviews. Find them today at Walmart, Walgreens, and Target.
Claims based on traditional homeopathic practice, not accepted medical evidence, not FDA evaluated.
Winter weather predictions can be unreliable. Be prepared for whatever's in store this year with House Diesel Treat and House Diesel Lifeline. The nation's #1 anti-gel, Diesel Treat is the only guaranteed anti-gel on the market. And Diesel Lifeline has absolutely no harmful alcohol and
Uy, all open here. Why did he's closing all this stuff? The parents all open. All open. Open. And open here. Really? Okay. So. forgot last time. Hello, hello. Where's my water? How are you guys? Sus,